Get ready with me for bed.
Just about everywhere, bro. Everywhere.
Y'all will not believe what happened to me. I literally got invited to the Glow house. No, I'm just kidding, but I wish. There's so many fake Glow houses accounts, and it's like, let the OG be the OG. I've been seeing like people like doing like cute auditions for it, and they're like 9. I'm like, this is cute, but like, I don't think a bunch of 16-year-olds are going to want a 9-year-old on like Kenzie's party. Like, I don't think you're getting invited, girl. Y'all, I literally bought my Shein cart, and y'all don't know how hard it is to splurge on my Shein cart. It's I would get 800, but no, I didn't. So don't fall for that, guys. Today, because literally the past like 2 days, my dog has been coming in my room and eating my makeup. I was not talking to her for a good 30 minutes. Bougie eye mask. So I think I did this wrong, guys. Brush my teeth. Good night, I suppose.